How to install Net Framework 3.5 on Windows 10 or 11. First we put Windows 10 in DVD or format ISO and see which let tray, for example D or E. We execute a CMD like administrator. We type this command DSIM and we locate my let tray for my Windows D and put enter to start install my Net Framework 3.5. We need this Net Framework to install some software, for example when we install SQL Server we need for this Net Framework 3.5. Click Enter to start installation. And now we finish this installation successfully.